In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your Squarespace site using the link accordion aardvark 9e23 squarespace.com. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your website looks and functions just the way you want it. Let's get started right away. First, let's head over to the Squarespace homepage, open your web browser and enter the URL accordion aardvark 9e23 squarespace.com/config/. This will take you to the main configuration page of your site. Once you're there, you'll see various options that allow you to manage and customize your site settings. Make sure you're logged in with your Squarespace account so you can access all the editing features. Now that you're ready, the next step is to click on the EDT button. This option should be visible on the page and is the key to unlocking the customization features for your site's layout and design. By doing so, you'll enter the editing mode where you can make changes to the different elements of your website. Within the editing interface, you'll want to find and click on the ADD block option. Adding blocks is essential for designing your site because each block represents a different type of content you can include, such as text, images, videos, or buttons. This feature gives you the flexibility to craft a visually appealing and functional website that fits your specific needs. After selecting ADD block, you'll need to choose what type of block you want to add next. For demonstration purposes, let's choose button. Buttons are a great way to create interactive elements on your site, such as contact us or learn more links. Adding a button block means positioning it where it best suits your page layout and linking it to the relevant page or URL. Take a moment to think about where and how you want users to interact with these buttons on your site. The final step in this process is to click on Save. This is critical because you want to ensure all the changes and additions you've made are preserved. There's nothing more frustrating than perfecting a page only to lose your work by navigating away without saving. Ensuring you've clicked on Save locks in all your updates and helps keep your website in its most current state. By following these steps, you've customized a part of your Squarespace website successfully. Remember, exploring these tools further will open up even more possibilities for refining your site to reflect your style and meet your goals. Keep practicing with different blocks and configurations, and soon enough you'll become proficient in creating a professional-looking website with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.